Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the great debate, Canva Free versus Canva Pro. If you've ever wondered which plan is right for you, you're in the right place. Let's break down the features, pricing, and benefits of each to help you make an informed decision. Overview of Canva Free. Let's start with Canva Free. Canva's free plan offers a wide range of features that are perfect for beginners and casual users. You get access to thousands of templates, free photos, graphics, and fonts. It's ideal for creating social media posts, presentations, and simple designs without spending a dime. Pros and cons of Canva Free. Pros: free to use. Access to thousands of templates and graphics. Great for basic design needs. Cons: limited access to premium content. Restricted storage space. Some advanced features are locked. Overview of Canva Pro. Now, let's look at Canva Pro. For a monthly or annual subscription, Canva Pro unlocks a treasure trove of additional features. You get access to over 75 million premium photos, videos, and graphics. Plus, you can use advanced design tools like the background remover, brand kit, and unlimited storage. Pros and cons of Canva Pro. Pros: access to premium content, advanced design tools, unlimited storage and brand kit, magic resize feature. Cons: subscription cost, may be overkill for simple projects. Which one to choose? So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting out or need basic design tools, Canva Free is a fantastic option. But if you're a professional designer or need advanced features and premium content, Canva Pro is worth the investment. And there you have it, a quick comparison of Canva Free and Canva Pro. Let us know in the comments which plan you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.